Hey barbecuers, Holy Grail Barbecue here. I'm Kevin, this is
Claire.
And tonight we're going to do some Monterey Jack Burgers with a red onion jam and some roasted panko breaded zucchini. To grill cook, we're going to use the pellet smoker at a high temp, 425, to be an oven for the zucchini, to roast those up nice and tasty. And then of course the Weber Kettle grill with some lump charcoal and the grill grates to do the burgers. Let's head over to the pit. Alrighty, so let's get started. Thinly sliced red onion, whole zucchini, quartered down into, 3-4 inch pieces. Got some oregano that we're going to put on top of that, some panko breadcrumb. Now this is a HelloFresh meal. They usually send condiments and stuff. Not going to use their mayo today. Instead, I made some homemade mayo with avocado oil. Much healthier and tastes really, really yummy. And of course, Monterey Jack cheese for the burgers once they're done. Last but not least, I minced up 2 cloves of garlic, and we'll use that for both the mayo for the burgers and also within the burger themselves. So here I've set up the grill for a 2-zone cook using only 1 grill grate turned upside down, and then a nice cast iron pan. If you notice, the coals are on the side of the grill grate. Tossed the zucchini with the panko and the mayo, and now it's going on to the grill. I've got the grill grates again inverted inside the pellet smoker here, running about 375. There we go. Another trick here with this, coconut oil. Coconut oil, it has a pretty high smoke point. Also, the sweetness of the coconut oil really makes that red onion jam makes it really nice. Okay, onions are on, sizzling away in the coconut oil. I'm going to close the lid here, let them roast up. All right, I'm going to let you in on a little secret here. The absolute best burger, special ingredient, onion soup mix. About a half a pouch for every pound of ground meat makes awesome burgers. So as you can see, the onions are browning up nicely. This will take a little while. Indirect cooking. I don't have it on a real high heat because I don't want to scorch these things. And there we go. The zucchini's roasting up real nice. Just going to let them sit, let them roast. Okay, you can see that the onions are really, really soft now. Almost a jam-like consistency. So forgive my camera work while I switch hands. This is balsamic vinegar. So we're going to dump all that in there. And we're going to let this go until this stuff's almost completely evaporated. Sorry for the camera work here. Make these onions have a great flavor. All right, we're just going to let those simmer that little bit of balsamic vinegar away. All right, so if you hear screaming, that's my daughter chasing my wife around with the garden hose. There's the shot. There you go. As you can see, the red onions are getting really nice and sweet with the combination of the coconut oil and the balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar is almost evaporated off. We're going to let that go a little bit more. You can see I've also got the burgers on. Again, Lipton onion soup mix, the absolute best spice for a burger. Try it, trust me, you'll love it. And just going to let those go. Notice dimples in the middle of the burger. I don't know. I learned it from Bobby Flay. Maybe it's a Bobby Flay trick, maybe somebody else. But it keeps the burgers from rising in the middle. It helps them keep their shape. Alrighty, the zucchini's looking really good, getting a nice char. They're almost done. Should be timed perfectly with burgers. Alrighty, we're just about ready. Got a nice seared. Those burgers right now are about medium rare. Alright, so there we go. We had Monterey Jack Burgers with red onion jam and roasted zucchini with panko breadcrumb, and Claire had her monkey here. Yes. And as you saw, Claire was also harassing her mother with the garden hose, which was quite funny. So burgers came out good. Try out the onion soup mix. Trust me on that one. It's awesome. It was a trick my wife taught me. So until next time, we'll talk to you later.